Welcome to Map OG. Today we will explore how to create a population range-wise bubble map and apply area filter to enhance your GIS visualization. Whether you are in urban planning, public health, real estate, or telecommunication, understanding population distribution can inform crucial decisions in your domain. Before we begin the tutorial, let's take a sneak peek at the final result. Through the settlement data analysis and the GIS mapping, we have created a dynamic population range-wise bubble map. This map not only visualizes the population distribution, but also offers the specific settlement types. Urban planner can optimize the layouts, retailers target the demographics, and the emergency responder enhance the disaster preparedness. Now, explore the step-by-step process to achieve this impactful visualization in your industry. Let's get started. Step 1. Let's upload our settlement data. Click on the Add Upload button, then click Upload Vector File. You can see Upload Vector File tool successfully opened on the right side of your screen. Choose your population data file. Ensure it's including information like settlement name, population figures. Select your data and click on the Upload button. Your data is uploaded successfully. Now, let's dive into the exciting part of the visualization this data into a population range-wise map. Let's move on. Step 3. Let's enhance our map by adding the population range-wise bubble. Click on the Style Data button, then click Bubble Style. You can see Bubble Style tool successfully opened on the right side of your screen. Here you have to select the layer name. You have to select the bubble circle. Then choose the attribute name like population, parts 5. You can also set the minimum and maximum value. You can change the color or the radius of the circle and click on the Save Style button. You can easily visualize the population data by customizing the size and the color of those bubbles. Select the option to make your map visually engaging and informative. As you can see in this map, orange bubbles represent the most populated area and the green bubbles represent less populated area. Now, step 4. To refine our map, let's apply the area filter. Click on Analyzing Data. Select the feature. Click on the Next button. Here you have to select the field like place and the option. Filter settlement by town, village, city or hamlet type. Here I write city and click on the Get Result button. Now click on the Publish button. You can also download the Excel file. For better visualization, let's change the basic style. This helps us to focus on the area of interest. Step 5. Once satisfied with your map, let's make final adjustment and export it. This exported map can be used in various presentations or reports. You have successfully created a population range-wise bubble map and applied the area filter. Feel free to explore more features further enhance your GIS map skills. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more queries, write us at support@mapog.com.